In this video, I'm going to show you how to change voice in BandLab. So there's actually a lot of different ways you can do this, but the easiest one is to basically apply different effects, and then you will be able to change your voice however you want. So I just have some sample voice I recorded over here. I'm going to play this first, and then we're going to add on some effects, and I'm going to show you how you can change it. So let's play this. This is just some sample audio for this tutorial. There we go. As you can see, it's very simple, just a regular voice of mine, okay? Then you want to click on it and you want to go to the effects down here, and then you want to click on add effect. Now in here, you have a bunch of different effects, so there's going to be a bunch of different ones here. Some of them are going to require the paid plan, but a lot of them still are free, okay? So we could just go ahead and find something. So here, as you can see, you could use, for example, this equalizer here, and you could go ahead and play around with it, and then just listen over and over again and see how this changes your voice. So let me play this now. This is just some sample audio. As you can see here, as you can hear, it's already a bit different. So we could also add another effect over here. I could add on, let's say, I don't know, multi-filter here, which will allow you to change the frequency, your resonance, your gain. So you can change whatever you want over here and then listen to your audio. This is just some sample. There we go. I'm also going to look for some pitch over here, because usually changing pitch will make my voice a lot different and unrecognizable. So if I set the pitch to like a lot over here, and if I now play this
is just some sample audio.
Yeah, as you can hear, my audio is already different, and I could just go ahead and keep on adding different effects over here. And of course, I can customize my sound that way. So there's a bunch of different ones. I'm not going to waste your time over here. Just go ahead and play with these, see what each and every single one of these do, and then just basically change your voice using a combination or a mixture of these different effects on your voice, and then you'll be able to change it to pretty much whatever you want. So that's the best way to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.